Okay, now for my new crazy day in school.
Riya, you stupid child, wake up.
Rude. Why you got to be so rude?
Just a way to wake you up, honey bun bun chocks.
Okay, but anyway, I should get to school.
I should get to work. Here, take your lunch. I forgot to give you something.
What?
This thing, it looks like a human being, but it's not. It has powers like us, but only you can see it in the power holders.
So where is it?
Sitting on the teacher's desk.
Wait, just like what? I don't see it.
Act as you spilled water and change into your power dress in the washroom.
I spilled water on me. I'm go change into my other clothes.
Right now it went invisible. Now I have to go help someone else. Bye.
Okay, bye, but do I have a team? Yes you do, and you're the main.
How was your day, girl?
It was totally amazing. Well, anyway, I better go. Okay, see you later. This person doesn't look from this generation.
Oferearete gladiators. Y-O-Ungil.
Me?
Y-S-Y-O-Unget meteo te palace.
The what?
Imbeciles.
The heck? Wait, I'll just be right back.
Y-O don't te o come back ifire Y-O.
What? Okay, just wait here. Okay, you come with me.
I do not listen to o servants commands, I only listen to the king.
I'm not your servant.
Of so that is for you're gonna get lost.
Now what to do? But the king has called you mom.
Calme queen, not madam.
Sorry, queen.
Okay, no take me. WHY
Because the king has a surprise.
Okay, but I don't have enough patience left in me.
I'm sorry, but I have to go to the washroom. Okay, so what can I do to make a old-aged human being go back in its era? Simple, a time machine. But I need something to power it. Whoa, what's this phone thing in my pocket? There are some names written here. Oh wait, I can call this girl that has the power of time. Hey, could you please come? It's an emergency.
She'll be there as soon as I can. Hi, I'm Zoya. What's your superhero name, since we can't tell our identities to each other here?
I'm Tech Girl.
Okay, hi Tech Girl, what seems to be the problem?
There is this woman sitting outside talking about being a queen. She looks like from Rome.
So you need me because?
I need you to power this time machine so I can take her back in her era.
Okay, absolutely no problem.
Okay, thank you. I should bring her here. Thanks for your help. You may go now. Mom, your gift is in the washroom.
Okay, but WHY
So no one can steal it.
Okay, let us go.
Okay, you're just right there. Look how beautiful it is. Look closely.
It's beautiful.
Normal Tech. Better get home now.
So how was your day, honey?
Pretty good. Well, I'm hungry. Let's get pizza. And that's Tech Girl's origin, but we still have 2 more special characters' origin left.